Hi everyone, today we are going to show you how to build a mobile robot car that can move all by itself, avoid any obstacles in its way, and even turn on its own headlights. This car is more than just a toy. Imagine being able to build something that can think and act on its own. So come on, join us and let's have some fun as we take this amazing robot car for a spin. For this project we will need REKA bit with microbit, RGB stick, ultrasonic sensor, 2 big LEDs and 2 motors. Connect the RGB stick to I/O port P0, black to ground, red to VCC, yellow to P0, and leave the white wire unconnected. Connect the ultrasonic sensor to I/O port P2 and P12, black to ground, red to VCC, white to P12 and yellow to P2. Connect the first LED module to I/O port P13, black to ground, red to VCC, yellow to P13 and leave the white wire unconnected. Connect the second LED module to I/O port P15, black to ground, red to VCC, yellow to P15 and leave the white wire unconnected. Connect the first motor to motor 1 terminal, red wire to M1B, black wire to M1A. Connect the second motor to motor 2 terminal, red wire to N2A, black wire to N2B. To begin building the code, follow these steps. Open a browser and navigate to the Make Code editor. Create a new project. Add REKA bit RBT project kit extension. And then add these blocks. On start, display the heart icon. Set ultrasonic pins to P2 and P12 and RGB stick to pin B0. Turn on big LEDs connected to pins P13 and P15. Set variable go to 0. That means standby mode. When button A is pressed, set variable go to 1. That means change to moving mode. In this moving mode, always check the ultrasonic sensor. If an obstacle is detected less than 15 cm away, stop and light up RGB stick in red, and then turn right for 1200 milliseconds to steer away from the obstacle. Else, if no obstacle is detected, keep moving forward and light up RGB stick in green. When button B is pressed, set variable go to 0. That means change back to standby mode. To stop the car and light up RGB stick in rainbow colors. When buttons A and B are pressed at the same time, toggle the big LEDs. Download the code to your microbit. That's it for today's tutorial on building a mobile robot car. We hope you enjoyed this video and that you feel motivated to start your own robot car project. Keep exploring and pushing the limits of your creativity. Remember, there is always room for improvement and new ideas. We encourage you to continue improving your skills and build new projects. Feel free to share your progress and ask for help in our Telegram group. We can't wait to see what amazing creation you come up with. Keep learning and happy making.